So today we are unboxing the Book of the Month Club box. I'm gonna love this already. So they have their logo there. And there's a cat! Oh my god, you know, I'm just gonna be very excited with this. What's really cute is the cat has a little wine bottle with a wine cozy. And that is the little goodie that they have in the box, is a little wine cozy with their logo and Book of the Month on the back. This one is a little welcome card, and it talks about the wine cozy that's in there. I just think that's cute, and we'll probably stick that up on my fridge. So this one ends up being pretty similar price to the book club case. It's $9.99 a month plus shipping, so I think it ends up being about $15. And that includes one book. If you want additional books, you pay for the additional books, but you don't pay additional shipping. On the first of the month, they send you a link and you can go look at all of the book choices for the month. You can pick which book that you want, which I thought that was really fun. And if you want more than one book, you can order any additional books you want. If you don't like any of the books, then you can skip that month. So I think it's a really fun way to do it, so that way you're not accumulating books that you're not necessarily going to read or be interested in. I did end up getting 2 books for this month, and they're both totally different. You have a bookmark, and it has a quote. Let's be reasonable and add an 8th day to the week that is devoted exclusively to reading. And that's by Lena Dunham. I couldn't agree more. I could go for a reading day. Each book comes with a little card. They have reviewers on their site who pick the books, and each of them sends a little letter. It also has their picture and name on there, and then it will have some thoughts that they had about that book, which I think is really fun. The first book I got is Dark Matter by Blake Crouch. The main character's name is Jason. It also happens to be my husband's name. So Jason has a really crap day. He gets abducted and strapped down. So when Jason wakes up, he doesn't quite wake up to what he thought he would. People around him are saying, welcome back, you know, we're excited to see you. In this world, he is a renowned scientist. Everybody knows him and loves him. He's famous. He's a genius. But his wife isn't there, and his child isn't there, and this is just very strange, and it makes him question, is this world real, or is the world he remembers real? He has to go on a journey to discover what is his true life. Are they both real? And will he have to choose which one he would rather have? Sounds a little bit of a mix of sci-fi and a psychological type thriller, with not knowing if he can even trust himself and his thoughts and things like that. So this sounds really cool. The book covers, I just realized, it says I Heart Book of the Month Club, and it's got the Book of the Month Club logo on there. And this other one has the same, so I guess it's a special cover for the book club, which is cute. The other book I picked is Circling the Sun by Paula McLean. This follows Beryl in the 1920s. Her father takes her to Kenya, and her mother leaves. We don't really know the circumstances. And Beryl is raised by her father and this tribe in Kenya that he's researching. She falls in love with Africa, with these people, and she just can't return back to life in England. It just doesn't suit her anymore. She decides to go back to Africa by herself, which is very unheard of for a woman in that time. And she becomes a horse trainer. This community of European expats that have also decided they prefer to live in Africa. There's a lot going on in this book, with Beryl finding herself, reaching out on her own as a woman in a time when that really wasn't something that women did, finding love, having disastrous relationships, hoping that there's something better out there, and just a journey of self-discovery and following your passion. I love that this isn't, again, something that's going to be a historical piece, which sounds really cool. I love the 1920s era. It's really fascinating. Following this journey of a strong woman. Again, you know, I like strong female characters. I think we need to be empowered, right? So this just sounds fascinating. It has horses. I love horses. I used to ride equestrian. For the Book of the Month Club, I did purchase this on my own. We'll have a link down below. If you guys are interested in purchasing this box, I think it is well worth the money, especially if you, like me, just want to be basically paying for your books and you don't want to be paying $30 or $40 for a box that you're going to get 1 or 2 books and a bunch of knick-knacky stuff. That also makes the price of the box more appealing, you know, 15 bucks versus, you know, $35, $40 for a lot of these book boxes. Go ahead and check this one out. I found 2 out of the 5 I wanted to buy. So I think that's a pretty good variety to choose from, and I like that they let you choose. So if I found that, yeah, nothing really sounded good, I didn't have to worry about wasting my money for that month, and I could use that to buy a book that I saw at the store that I would rather have. But this was awesome, and I discovered 2 books that otherwise I might not have seen. I hope you guys had fun watching the video. If you guys are interested in reading either of these, let me know. I think they both sound pretty cool. Or if you have read them, let me know. What did you think about it? I'll see you guys next time. Bye.